Welcome to CRJ 151. This week we're looking at Chapter 10, which explores heroin and other narcotics. And so the objective of the chapter is to learn, what narcotics use, abuse, and addiction is like, in order to understand why someone, knowing all the risks that are involved in it, would experiment with such a debilitating, addicting, and dangerous substance. So the public stereotype of the heroin addict may be probably more negative than for any other drug user. Heroin kind of represents the stereotypical, street drug. The quote-unquote junkie seen as a low-life person, as an outcast. So I guess you have to ask yourself, why would anyone engage in activity participated by such deviance? I mean, with the way that's portrayed, why do people continue to use the drug? In fact, it's growing in popularity in smaller, more rural areas today. Now, as we see in the book, opiates in general are associated with 4 out of 10 emergency room, medical examiner drug-related deaths, which is twice as many as the next most lethal drug type. Now, while heroin might be one of the least popular of all drugs taken recreationally in the United States, there are hundreds of thousands of people who do take this risk. They know both the appeals as well as the repulsion of opiates, and when we know that, it helps us to put together kind of the portrait or the big picture of their use. Remarkably, a substantial number of people, we don't know the number, but there are quite a few that have managed to continue using narcotics without becoming addicted. But they are among the rare breed of what we would call controlled opiate users. Now next week, as we continue looking at different drugs, we're going to look at Chapter 11, which explores the pharmaceutical neuroleptics.